So in a pocket yellow, you received 720 from Binance Investment Limited on your mobile money shanshan. Your account balance is shan. So I search tamo invest to. Now I search tana withdraw. Okay, that's good. And then he saw he had approved by the dashboard to mark. Yo guys, achana polaka. They don't conquer fe ama Zambians fe chapo fe Zambians so they chibe charge fe nechinya charge fe chitong. In fact, video they face ndaipanga pano short. So they don't never kumiranga face padi so some point nothing paso up. Let me then put it per desktop. Send to desktop this FRY. This is a new platform, the most trending platform currently. So with this platform, so with this platform, the way it is, you can invest in money. And then once you invest in money, then let's say package. When you invest in a 200 you invest it for 5 days. 200 we invest for 5 days. It is a 252. But in a VIP, so in VIP one investment. Okay. And then kwa is na VIP 2 here, but watch time invest 5 zadi for 5 days up finish 637. Then kwa isa ni what time invest 1 pin after 5 days up finish 1.2 chansha. But in one item afi na ukiaponya hapa so papa bafi patapa ya my limits. Ya kutela let's say watch time invest na what 2 zadi kusa mkufunisha 277 so ya. If you are feeling watch time invest 5 zadi after 7 days up finish 692 nika 1 week yako chavi yako. So as usual first mila ngeno show mkwetene mu account. So mu account balance ni mwandi mudi 201 apa first na search ta kwa invest ka 10 kwa chaka kaibara pila kwa 10 kwa chaka free. So when I share ta kwa invest wait tara invest once you see what I'm talking about. And then funds being come. So first ni posa kona sana ni first to chite once pa invest. So na that invest 201.73 na rise hapa so for 1 week. Yeah, don't worry in case I'm going to post na video after 1 week. For sure fika 01.73 kwat. So in danger but after 1 week I'm going to kachita pogenga shinga kana ka 77 kwacha 67 chani ngwe, of which case I'm kumsha 279.4. So kutwala tini kapadi invests at mune affiliate. So hapa nachita purchase ya hapa so hapa. So for your platform kwa di wako nachita earn pay how. So if finish na kwa nachita earn pay how washing. Let's see. Okay, to invested. So anyway, estimated so after 1 month, but pay how kwa di wako today chita earn. So esa mpenda 5% ya ila pay how ade samku mkingira. Pay how di so mudi available balance so mo isamku. So in available balance yonse na chita invest yonse. Yaba invested. So kesa mkumfunisha 201 plus seed, kesa mfunya 278 for ya tsawa. And then what else? Withdraw method very simple, ni mobile money. Kuisafia if you want to withdraw money. So minimum withdraw ni 200. Even the minimum deposit is 200. So for you to start this, you need to deposit at least 200. So withdraw ngawanisha hapa 200 or more. So you need to start withdraw ngachita much wide. And then without further ado, let me first show you a man one face to for what end because a telegram and to prove in a guy didn't for in the money to party proof. So this guy says okay, so in a pocket yellow, you received 720 from Binance Investment Limited on your mobile money shanshan. Your account balance is shan. So I search tamo invest to. Now I search tana withdraw. Okay, that's good. And then he had approved by the dashboard to mark. Okay, if you wanna be now over the time investment. Yeah. Vengi guys. But otherwise, the way it is that let me show you how to register. Sorry, na chaba no kumenanga fi to register. So what you need to do is you need to come here. You saw linky na some description. Once you click on this link, once you click on this link, copy link, paste a part. That way the back up. Yeah, so once you click on this link, let's say to site to share to any of, let's say I site to share could you. So once you share your link like that and then number in empada ngamatini kapale link ya dami the talk. So you need to register. Once you register, apaso kuingisha fe number kudemba kwamba finance if you know the beka ko 0 ngani 966 and shine ko number kudemba fe number fake and then password. Make sure reference number needed and then you click on register. Now the unfortunate part is Android users face, so my iPhone users they take participate because once you click on register, they take application aka ku download and now we can password na phones and then umanga ka download that time store kaswa. So guys, that's everything. That was my team investment is that shanshanuko. So just make sure, and the more you invite people, the more you gain. So in the guys in the first Nashafa Miteko introduce in upper moment I've invested in a 200, of which I'll come back. I'll even show you another video at Sharp Machine PH. Anyway guys, so peace out. Just make sure you subscribe and follow for more videos like this. Guys, kuda shafita kuda tiyo star shop shanshan fintu ifi kufi bangidi daf pape ninga fi isa mwaf pang that was for ya but guys. So peace out guys, just subscribe. Atotera.